How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
What's your favorite food?
I like pizza.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny.
Where do you live?
I live in Lahore.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you help me?
Sure, no problem.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I watch movies.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
What's your favorite sport?
I like cricket.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do.
What are you doing now?
I'm studying.
Are you busy?
A little bit.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to London.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I like cats.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like mangoes.
Are you tired?
No, I feel fine.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Can you cook?
Yes, a little.
What's your hobby?
I like drawing.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to school or work?
I go by bus.
What day is it today?
It's Wednesday.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite season?
I like winter.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I read books.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, sometimes.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Frozen.
Can I sit here?
Yes, of course.
See you tomorrow?
Yes, see you.